Alright guys, what is up? It is Timeless Kicks back with another video. And 2022 has already brought us some insane heat. From Yeezys, to Union Dunks, to Air Maxes, to Jordans. It's just been crazy. And it is not slowing down anytime soon. So for this video today, I just wanted to go over some of the sneakers that I am most excited for coming up in the year of 2022. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So on March 10th, some Nike Dunk lows are coming out, and this is the Paisley Pack. The reason that I like these a lot is because it has the bandana pattern on the check, and I just think that this is a sneaker that I would love to rock, especially in the summertime. I'm currently looking at the green colorway right now, and it's just that Michigan State colorway. So this is one that I'm definitely gonna go after for sure. I really like the look of them, and I've just been a really big fan of Nike Dunks. Similarly, on March 10th, we have two Sakai's coming out, and the aftermarket on these sneakers have been relatively high. Now, I don't know if the price will tank once they drop, but I know that currently aftermarket is looking pretty decent. Market will go down once these do actually release, because we've been seeing images of these for a pretty long time, and they are finally coming out on March 10th. It is a bit of a clunky shoe. I do like the white colorway more than I do the black. There's nothing extremely special about them. Again, a lot of people just really like the Sakai Nike collabs, and I'm definitely one of those people as well, but nothing crazy, nothing completely out there. I definitely like other Sakai colorways a lot more than this one right here, as well as the model itself. I like other Nike Sakai models better than these, but that is coming up relatively soon. On March 12th, we have the Nike Concepts Air Max 1 Mellows. These have already dropped on the Concepts app, but they are dropping on the Sneakers app as well, because it is not just a Concepts exclusive. I think that this year, Nike is really pushing the Air Max 1, and I'm not too mad about it. I love the Air Max 1 silhouette. I have seen a lot of videos of Air Max 1 Mellows, and I really like them. I know for some people it might not be their thing. When sneakers pay attention to that much detail, when they have something about crazy patterns and just mismatched materials and things of that nature, it just really draws me in, and the Mellows are definitely one of them. We are also getting other colorways as well with the Concepts and Nike Air Max 1 collab, but the Mellows are coming out the 12th. Again, on March 12th, we have the Yeezy V2 350 Oreos, and you can sign up in the confirmed app as of right now. Now, what I've been told is that this is exclusively to Adidas and Yeezy. These are not going to be dropping on retail sites like we saw the slides today. So I think the best bet is to just sign up on your confirmed app and just take a gamble at it. Now, sometime in March, there is no specific date, but sometime in March, we are going to be getting the Nike SB Dunk Low St. Patrick's Day. I love when Nike releases holiday sneakers. The only downside is Nike hasn't been the best at getting out the sneakers in time for the holiday. That has been kind of difficult. We've seen that this past fall for the Halloween Dunks and the Mummy Dunks. They are really cutting it close. But for me, being a Boston Celtics fan, it doesn't just solely have to be for St. Patrick's Day. I could wear these to the Boston Celtics game and in Boston in general. So I don't think that I'd be completely upset if these don't end up releasing by the 17th on St. Patrick's Day, but we don't even have a date for them, so I don't expect them to be out by St. Patrick's Day. But we have a nice little clover in the back. I love the gold swoosh in the middle, and we have a nice velvet green around the whole dunk itself. And I love SB Dunks. I've been really meaning to get a personal pair of SB Dunks, and this is one that I would not be upset about if I'm able to get. We also have a look at some of the Jordans that are coming up this fall. Looks like we have a pair of 4s, 1 lows, a couple of 1s, some 3s, some 12s, some 7s, and some 14s. The one that definitely sticks out to me is the Jordan 1 Taxis. I think that these will do different numbers than the Pollens, just because in the middle of it, it is white. Those are definitely ones that are on my radar. Other than that, nothing that really pops out to me. And again, I feel as though Nike is definitely going to be pushing the Nike Air Max 1s. We do have Air Max Day coming up. Air Max Day is March 26th. These blue Air Maxes right here around the globe is a beautiful colorway. I love the check. I really like that baby blue, light blue color blocking. That's one of my favorite colors. I love the Air Max 1, so this is one that I'm definitely stoked for as well. And lastly, there is no way that I can make a video about upcoming 2022 releases without talking about the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined. So there has been talks and rumors about Nike coming out with the 1985 Jordan 1 Chicago silhouette. If it's true, this drop is going to be insane. We've already seen a couple releases of the 1985 model with the Georgetowns and the cool grays, but the fact that they're releasing the Chicagos is insane. I don't know if they are going to kind of mix it up a little bit. If they add kind of like a vintage look to them, maybe on the midsole or somewhere, I think that would be really cool, but I hope that they don't change up the Chicago that much. That's the only thing I'm a little bit concerned about. I hope that they just give us the 1985 Chicagos. We saw in 2015 they had a Chicago drop, but it wasn't the 1985 silhouette. So the fact that those are coming out, I can't even imagine the market. I can't even imagine how hard it's going to be to try and get these, but nonetheless, one that I'm super excited for and cannot wait for. So that is my video for the day. Definitely let me know down in the comments below which sneaker you are looking forward to the most in this 2022 year. I think that we have some amazing sneakers coming up. This year is just chock full of amazing opportunities to cop some really, really solid sneakers. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.